ElevenLabs is widely known as the best AI voice cloning technology on the market today. You can professionally clone your voice and create a perfect replica of your own voice. So we are going to find out how good it actually is and is it worth paying for it. This is a clip of what it can do.
Before you, not as an expert, but as a concerned citizen.
One of the 400,000 people who marched in the streets of New York on Sunday.
As if pretending that climate change wasn't real would somehow make it go away.
That's pretty amazing if you ask me. And after a wait of 4 weeks, my own professional cloned voice is finally ready. Let's check out how realistic it is. So once you're logged into ElevenLabs, you can come to speech synthesis. This is where we can generate the voiceover. Select the text to speech, select the voice. The voice settings, we will leave it at default. And for the model, ElevenLabs recommends to use 11 Turbo V2 for this specific professional voice clone. So we are going to type something here. Okay, once you type something here, you can click generate. This is the example of my professional voice clone. How does it sound? Does it actually sound like me? So what do you guys think? Does that sound like me? I think it's pretty damn close. So I think this is really cool. I am extremely satisfied with it. So I highly recommend if you are looking to clone your voice in a professional way, this is definitely the way to go. There's no better tool than ElevenLabs right now on the market today. And just so you know, the intro that I used in this video was actually generated in ElevenLabs, and this was the text that I typed in. So let me show you. So this was the file that I saved for the intro. ElevenLabs is widely known as the best AI voice cloning technology on the market today. You can professionally clone your voice and create a perfect replica of your own voice. So we are going to find out how good it actually is and is it worth paying for it. That's what I did to create that intro. So I just want to share that before I show you another example. So let's do another example. Okay, after you have the text, just click generate. This voice clone is super realistic. It is amazing. I highly recommend you to check it out. Yeah, so like what it said, I think it's super realistic. You guys can compare. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it down below, and I'll see you in the next video.